I already knew I was gonna love it, and I love it.
Gotta do what I gotta do. Said it's all brand new. I cannot stop. Gotta do what I gotta do.
Today I'm working with this gorgeous human crochet hair from HotBraids. This is their upgraded crochet hair, and just look at this texture. This is their exotic kinky coily human crochet hair, perfect for my 3C to 4A girlies. It came in natural black, and I'm using just one bundle, 20 inches long, and it's 245 grams. This was more than enough for my entire head. One of the things I love about this hair is that it already comes looped with a built-in string, and you're not having to fight with tangles and figuring out where to knot. That little detail makes a huge difference, especially if you're newer to crochet or just want to speed things up.
I'm going to use a mesh cap. It has the thick little border, which I love. It should be easy to sew that on and take it off. I'm gonna sew this band around my perimeter so that it's secure. Pick this cap up from my local beauty supply store, literally around the corner, and the goal is to crochet the hair onto the cap. That way when I go to take it off, it'll all still just be on the cap. So whenever I want to reinstall it again, all I gotta do is sew the cap on. So I'm DIYing my own half wig. I didn't want to cut anything because once you cut it, the cap's gonna start falling apart and it's going to compromise the integrity of the whole entire wig we're trying to make. I love that they put this on a key ring. All the companies that I've collaborated with, for whatever reason, they tie it into a knot around itself, and it makes it so difficult to get the hair off. This just comes right off the ring. Love it. Or you can open it like that and it just comes right off. Boy, it got some shrinkage on it. Sure do.
The only actual tools that I'm using today is my crocheting needle. Basically just slide my latch hook open through a hole into the cap, hook the hair, close the latch, and pull it back partially through, not all the way through. Then I use my thumb and index finger to create a little loop, sticking my fingers through and grabbing the ends of the hair, and I just pull it through to secure the knot. Once you get the motion down, it really is just repetitive, same thing over and over again until you fill the entire cap. If you know how to do a traditional crochet, this method is really going to be a breeze for you. The only difference, I'm not crocheting it into my braids. I'm crocheting the hair straight through the little holes in the wig cap.
This is how much hair I have left, and look how big it is. I'm gonna wet her down and we're gonna go from there, because this is a lot of hair already.
Don't make me cry, say.
Okay, the curls are giving, very much so. I'm gonna use the rest of this to fill in at the middle. It looks so good from the front, but wait till I turn around. It's a hole in the back of my head, and I can't be out here in these shoes like that. This hair, it's very similar to the tutorial I did with Curls Queen, and that was probably one of my favorite installs that I did on myself. It looks so good. You guys loved it, so I'm really excited for this. I might even do my makeup, shoot.
I couldn't love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Running, and now we don't speak at all. Now I'll be ready, still it was worth it. I would do it again. I couldn't love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Running, and now we don't speak at all.
I really think this method is going to be a game changer for me because normally I crochet the hair onto my head, and after all them hours, I just got to take it right out. So much work down the drain, but this time all that tediousness is worth it because I'm installing it on a wig cap. I can literally take it off, tuck it away, and reinstall it anytime without having to do all of this all over again. So next time when I want to wear this, I just lay my perimeter down, throw the cap back on, and I'm good to go in like 30-40 minutes instead of spending 6 hours plus. It saves so much time, and it's actually protecting my natural hair too at the same time.
But you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Running, and now we don't speak at all. Now I'll be ready, still it was worth it. I would do it again. I know you hurt me. I couldn't love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Running, and now we don't speak at all. Now I'll be ready. I couldn't love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Running, and now we don't speak at all.
Holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just for me, yeah. When I'm really low, will you still cover for me? Your best to make me feel lovely. When I go where you still think of me. I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential.
This is what the hair is giving, 100% dry, and I already knew I was gonna love it, and I love it. I love big hair. The girlies that know. Curls are defined. The way that it blends with my natural hair is just unmatched. The only products that I used on the hair were the Mielle Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk. Today, before I went to work, I refreshed it with some of my Lotta Body hair mousse, wet it down, then put the Lotta Body hair mousse on it, and was good to go. And this is what it's looking like. I want to say it took about maybe a few days to a week to get to me. No strong chemical smell or anything straight out of the pack. The best part about it all is reinstallable. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section for me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this one, and share. Please share. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Don't wonder no more what I think about you. Think it's something that you want, that you should make me your girl.